Do you want to make money on YouTube, but you don't want to show your face? If so, keep watching this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So maybe you have an accent. Maybe you are super awkward on camera like I am. Or maybe you just don't want to show your face, but you still want to get views on YouTube. So how do you actually make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? Now, step 1 is to choose a niche. Now there's a bunch of different niches that you can do on YouTube without choosing your face. And I'm going to go over some of the best ones that you can do right here. The first being countdown channels. I'm sure you've seen channels on YouTube that make countdown list videos, for example, top 10 channels. I'm sure you've seen a variation of a top 10 channel on YouTube, for example, a YouTube channel putting out videos like the top 10 fastest cars or the top 10 best movie characters. And in the video, you'll notice oftentimes there's nobody on camera. It's simply someone doing a voiceover going over the top 10 fastest cars or the best movie characters, or whatever it might be, is just a voiceover going over those things. They would probably say, "Man, I don't have any fancy microphone or equipment or anything like that." Well, you don't need it. You can simply use your phone and some more niches that you can do on YouTube without ever showing your face. Are the tech niche, scary story videos, meditation videos and psychology videos. And if you don't actually want to make the videos yourself, you can hire other people to make the videos for you. So now you've got your niche. It's time to actually generate videos. Now, how do you know which videos are the best to make? Now, what I recommend doing is going to YouTube, searching your niche directly on YouTube itself, and then sorting the results by the most popular videos uploaded within the past week or the past month. And these will show you new videos that are getting a ton of views. And these will be the best videos to model and make your own versions of those videos that are at least 10 minutes long. And this will ensure that you're not just wasting your time with YouTube, so generate your own versions of those videos. And it doesn't matter if it's just you making them or if you have a team helping you make them and then upload them on YouTube. Now, what I recommend doing is uploading around 30 YouTube videos in a month or two, because this is the average amount of videos that I've noticed until you can determine whether or not your channel is going to be successful. And then after uploading those 30 videos, what I recommend doing is going into your analytics and then analyzing and optimizing based off of the data. So swap out thumbnails of videos that have a low click-through rate and take a look at the audience retention graphs of each of your videos individually and then see where viewer interest on your video spikes and where it goes down, and wherever it goes down, make sure to cut that out. Never do that again in a future video and where it peaks. Make sure to incorporate that as much as you can into your future videos. And if you do all of this and you upload 33 YouTube videos and you don't see your channel getting any attraction, do not worry, analyze and optimize based off of the data. There's been so many instances where I thought a YouTube channel was dead, or that the idea wasn't good, or all these different things. Right, or there's too much competition. It was too saturated, but after analyzing and optimizing based off the data for those channels, I've been able to blow up channels with tiny little tweaks like swapping out thumbnails and just incorporating little things in future videos that you can see based off of the data. So the analytics that I look for when analyzing optimizing based off the data are at least a 60% average view duration on videos that are 10 minutes long and a 6% click-through rate. If you can hit those two factors right there, congratulations. Your video is going to blow up if you want to discover how to do this the right way for sure. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. See you next time.